was gonna be sad because it played at Cannes Film Festival, and all those film festival movies are never happy. Even the comedies are dark and filled with death and suicide.
I don't really want to talk about it.
He still loved her. That's true commitment.
I have something in my eye. Not crying. Not crying.
He loves her so much, and I just can't let you love it anymore. It just reminds me of my family and my parents, and I can't do it.
Okay, so today we're gonna have our friends come over for some pizza and dinner and stuff. The plan was that our mom would bring home the pizza and drinks, and we would clean up around the house first. She left at 10 this morning. It's like 3 now, and Connor hasn't done one single thing.
I did do stuff today. I woke up, took a shower, put on my clothes, myself, and then I made everybody breakfast, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Whoa. Everybody? No.
I know I want you.
I thought I smelled food. Ah!
Hey, back off, bro.
Dude, you can't eat all that by yourself.
No,
Ah!
mine. I woke up, I made it. Can't
Give
do
me
it.
some.
Get over here.
Give me some.
No.
Give me some.
I made it myself.
Oh, that's it. Give me the.
No, mine. Ah.
Give me the phone!
No, mine.
You're not gonna eat all that by yourself.
Get back, you little midget. Well, everybody important anyway.
This is getting old fast. Look at him, he's just sitting there eating animal crackers like a little 5-year-old.
Like a 5-year-old, he is a 5-year-old.
Yeah. You know, the real question is why we keep agreeing with these stupid plans.
Because we're stupid. Ugh.
It happens every time. Every time we plan something big and exciting, we end up doing all the manual labor and he just sits there.
Why are we even inviting him? He's so irritating.
Because he'd crash the party if we didn't.
Exactly. And Mom doesn't even realize that he's a lazy butt.
Door.
Hey, come on back, get that.
Kyle. Oh, but this wasn't me. Oh, hey, Uncle Colin.
Hey, you got a spare toilet seat?
Is that a dog biscuit?
No, it's a dog treat. Great with hot sauce. You want one?
No.
Do you got a toilet seat?
Nah, no, fresh out.
You guys are useless.
Everything is so weird.
Yeah, tell me about it.
The thing I love about animal crackers is that with every bag, you never know what you're going to get. Kind of like that Forrest Gump movie with the box of chocolates. Except you can't read the bottom.
So when I first met their Uncle Carmine, I thought they were playing a trick on me. And then I laughed at him about something, and then he tried to throw me out of a window. He said he was trying to save me, but I didn't feel very safe. Hi, Kay.
Oh, hey, Paige.
So I just saw your Uncle Carmine crawl under the house.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna stop you there. Yeah, Carmine just asked for a spare toilet seat, so I'd rather not know what he's up to, if you don't mind.
Anyways, is Taylor in her room? She said she found my sock puppet family. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I think she just finished.
Yay! Taylor!
Sock puppet family.
I've never actually seen Forrest Gump. But I'm pretty sure that's from the movie, Box of Chocolates or something. Right? How do I know about the box of chocolates? I've never seen the movie. Kyle does a really good Forrest Gump impersonation.
Since when does Kyle do a Forrest Gump impersonation?
Just tell me!
Well, it was kind of a while ago because it was during Easter.
Is that the time she threw the Easter basket at Nick?
I know! I don't know why she did that. She feels so bad
That's
now.
hilarious though. That's so her.
It was so funny. I don't know. I guess it was like,
My brother didn't like it though.
yeah, I didn't think that he would.
Brother?
What? Oh my god!
Cockroach!
Oh my god! Get it! You get it!
I'm not
What are you
gonna
talking
get it.
about?
Get it! Cockroach!
Ah! Give it away from the school!
What are you guys screaming about? It's just
Cockroach! In the box, there's a cockroach!
Oh my gosh, get it!
Come on, get it!
fine.
Get it!
I can't do it.
I guess I'm just gonna have to get it.
No. I'll smash it with my foot. You don't need weapons of mass destruction. Okay. I think I got it.
The Lewis family? We hate bugs.
Yeah, bugs and me don't really mix.
I hate bugs. They're always trying to attack me.
You mean like bugs? Ugh, God, no, I hate those things.
They're kind of tasty, actually. Little hot sauce, barbecue sauce. Yeah, I like bugs.
My grandma guys sit downstairs.
I don't do much.
And there's meatballs.
So, in the end, we were able to finish cleaning up in time. No thanks to a certain individual,
Connor.
whose name I will not be using.
It's Connor. It's Connor. Everybody knows it's Connor.
Well, overall, I think we did a pretty good job.
thanks to Connor.
They think they get it's Connor's fault.
Well, I'm not letting him get any of the credit for this party.
Ooh, hey, did what's her name end up showing up? What's her name?
Yeah, she's over there.
Oh, goodbye.
Eating animal crackers is like cloud gazing. So you gotta kind of look at the thing for a little while before you can figure out what they are. Like, I don't know what this is. And this is a wombat. Or a wildebeest. I don't know, something that's in all of them. So it's a lot like cloud gazing. I'm sure you don't get to eat the clouds afterwards.
Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have been swallowing animals one by one.